Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this cute top. Very simple to make. For this I'm using this cotton fabric. First I'll show you in draft. Let's quickly get started. I already marked my basic body measurements. Shoulder is 15. I took 7.5 here, half inch shoulder drop, and armhole is 15 inches. Half of 15 is 7.5. Again I took here 7.5 and made front and back armhole. Here my chest is 38.5, so fourth part of 38.5 is 9.6, so I made mark here 9.6, and I'll make a designer neckline, so I'll leave this part. And then my apex point is 9.5, so I marked here 9.5 and just go 1 inch more down and then make a straight line. And now let's cut this out and put on the fabric. So this is a 4-layered fabric facing right sides together. I put this pattern onto my fabric and I left here half inch for stitching purpose, and I cut this out. Now let's separate it and cut the front armhole. So this is my front part and this is my back part. Here I gave 3.5 inch neck, and now let's see how to cut the bottom part. This is a 2-layered fabric facing right sides together. Now place this pattern from this is the open side, and in the folded side leave 5 inches. You can see I left here 5 inch because we have plaits in this top, and the length of this fabric will be your total length minus this bodies. Like my total length is 27 and this body's length is 11, so 27 minus 11 comes 16 around, so the length is 16, and this is a square fabric. Just cut this till 16 inches. So that was the front part, and for the back part just put this pattern onto the 2-layered fabric and just cut exact measurement of this pattern. Width wise and length would be 16 inches only. Just cut this rectangular piece. Okay, now let's quickly see how to make this designer neckline. First of all, take interface and fold it from the middle, and then mark your neck width. Here I'm taking 3 inches, so mark here 3 inches, and mark your neck length. Here I'm taking 8 inches, so in a cross way I'm marking here 8 inches, and then make a block just as we do in our regular neck making. Like this. And now draw a round curve first. I'm giving round neckline here, and now take something like this. Here I'm taking just machine screw driver. You can take a coin or bobbin also. And now from the middle point of this give a curve from here like this, and then leave few inches, around quarter inch, and then again from this middle mark another curve. Do the same till here. Okay, now mark 1 inch from this line. Like this. And make another round neck. And we need to cut this line. Let's cut it from here. Okay. Okay, and now we need to cut these curves. Like this, and now fold this fabric like this and again give a stitch on the edge of this fabric like this. So here you can see I had given a stitch on the edges, and you can see this leftover fabric. Just cut this fabric extra one and make it smooth. Don't go till these stitches, just cut the extra fabric only. Mark the center line in this, and then this is the right side of my fabric, the top part, and this is the wrong side. Here also mark the middle point. I made a notch here. Now match both the lines, see, like this, and now pin it. Now after pinning, just give a stitch from here. Don't touch this bukram or interlining, just give a stitch on this edge, on the bukram's edge only in our design, till here, then from here till here, then from here till here, like this. Go till the end. I'm done with the stitching part. You can see here I had given a stitch just above the bukram or interface. Now what you need to do is just cut this extra fabric first. Okay, and now this middle part also you need to cut it. Don't cut these stitches. So I'm done with cutting the inside part of the neckline. You can see I had given the shape, see, and now just open this to the wrong side wherever we had given these. See, like this. You need to open these curls like this using your finger or like that. And in the front part also you can see it's looking like this. Just turn all the curls and press it gently. And after that we'll give a top stitch on our neckline. So I had given a press on my front part, the neckline. It's looking like this from the front side, and from the back side it's looking like this. And for this part I'll do the blind hemming or hand hem, and to the front part I'll do top stitch on the edge of this neckline. Let's do it. So I'm done with the top stitching part, and now just attach the bottom of this front part. So first make a notch in between, in the middle, and this was another fabric which we had cut for the bottom part. Make a notch in between this also, and first join both these notches and pin it like this. And now give a pleat on this. First, this is the middle part, so give a pleat on this side like this. Pin it, and then give a pleat from this side on the opposite direction like this here, and pin it again. I'm giving a small pleats. If you want you can give large also, and just keep it like this in this part also, again this side, and from here also this side, and match it with this top part. Width of this top part and bottom part should be matched here, and in this fabric just make all the pleats. So I'm done with giving the pleats in the middle, and I'll first sew this by giving a basting stitch, and you can see both the edges are matching properly. Now I will attach both these pieces by turning it in the wrong side and giving a stitch, leaving 1/4 inch for seaming, and I will do the same with back part also, and we'll make a regular neckline in the back part. Let's do it. can see my front part is ready. I joined both the pieces, and I'm done with the neckline of my back part also. I joined both these pieces too, and now I will join the shoulders, and in the bottom I will give just a picot. So now I joined the shoulders, and before doing picot I'll just close both the sides, and later I'll give sleeves, a designer sleeve on this, so I'm not attaching here sleeves, and then I will do picot. Let's do it. My beautiful cute tunic top is ready now. I also added pearl in the neckline. If you want to know how to make this designer petal sleeves, you can find the link in the description box. Hope you like my video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also give your feedback in the comment section below. See you in the next video.